the SoundPEATS TrueFree 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the TrueFree 2 True Wireless Earbuds by SoundPEATS. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear fins and ear tips. The TrueFree 2 features 4 hours of listening time, 20 hours with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 6mm drivers, button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a simple, compact design. It's plastic all around with a matte finish, and you have the SoundPEATS branding etched in on the top of the lid. On the back of the case, you have the USB-C charge port and LED. And inside the case, you'll find the battery LED status. The lid opens and closes smoothly and it feels tight. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and it has a glossy finish inside. The earbuds are small in size and have an ergonomic shape to them. It has a matte finish on the inside with the ear markings, and on the outer face you have the logo along with a button control, which has a rubber finish to it. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear fins and ear tips, charging contacts, button control, LED, and microphone. Here they are side by side. The button controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired functions for playback and calls. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.4 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 38 grams, and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS TrueFree 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality was fair, nothing exceptional. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the TrueFree 2. The earbuds created a tight, secure fit and it seated well in my ears. The ear fins definitely added additional support. They were comfortable and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. Build and quality is okay. The case has a simplistic design and the earbuds feel durable. It has a slim profile and they don't protrude out as much. The button controls respond well and it didn't require a lot of pressure to activate. Battery life is fair, coming in at 4 hours and 20 total with the case. I like the fact that it has IPX7 rating, so this would do well with workouts and protecting you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, these didn't disappoint, especially for the budget price point. Bass is prominent and not lacking at all. It's deep and punchy and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in clear and clean and it's not too forward. It's definitely a balanced and pleasant listening experience in my opinion. It did well with various music genres that I tested it with, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. Overall, you can't go wrong with these budget pair. Sound won't disappoint and it can be used for casual listening or active lifestyles. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS TrueFree 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.